G'day everyone, day 6. Day 6 of the Barefoot Captains Log, and please, I apologise for the very saucy, sexy voice.
Ever notice how you come across somebody once in a while that you shouldn't have fucked with? That's me.
Firstly, we are about to head off on expedition. We head off tonight. So from here on, it's going to get really exciting, really wild, and we're going places, some places no one's ever been before, you know. Real expedition, real exploring, and this is what I really love. This is why I live. So, massive day today. This has been one of the biggest days. The day before leaving on expedition is always huge. What have we done? Fuel this morning. So, probably 150, maybe 180 each side. And then we had another 240 litres in jerry cans, and that's been sort of squared away all over the boat. We're definitely a lot lower in the water now. It's a lot of weight, but you know, as we burn the fuel, we get faster and that sort of stuff. And we have to have that fuel because we're going so far away. Luckily, just in time, the Australian Register of Shipping number came in. It's like the registration on your car. You've got to have it. Got that, put that on the boat. So stoked, I was really proud of that moment, putting it on the back of the boat, and we're identifiable everywhere in the world. So that's pretty cool, got that on. Now the girls are doing all the food. I'm pretty sure that's absolute madness. I'm completely staying out of that.
And Silke and my task today is to get the groceries. Potatoes, garlic, apples.
What do you got there, Rabbit?
A mixture of everything. There is a pumpkin, there's amazing ice cream, holy crap, I need to show you. They don't need to be refrigerated, but they're so good.
Okay, so food's coming on board, and then everyone's going to arrive. We're waiting for Gabby, Guy, Silke's here getting the food, but she hasn't come to the boat yet, and Paul's going to arrive. So everyone's going to rock up at the yacht club, and then we go. Next stop, Coral Sea, and then into the Pacific, and the big adventure begins. So I really hope you can join us for this expedition. Follow each day what we're doing. I'll be posting one of these every single day without fail. Even if I'm sick like I am now, I'll still get up and do it no matter what. So I hope you're enjoying it. And yeah, please follow, share, comment, ask me questions. Let's see how the immigration stuff works out. That's the next big hurdle. And then we sail off into the sunset.